Hi. So we created a small minimalistic Pomodoro timer, the tiny timer that packs a productive punch. So you know already Pomodoro timer it will help focusing on your work around 25 minutes in work mode. Then you take a break of 5 minutes. So we created a minimalistic timer with some extra features. Let's see how it is. So work mode will have 25 minutes, break time have 5 minutes. Focus intensely what you want to achieve, then rest deliberately. We added a few more features like auto cycling timer. Auto cycling timer instead of normally what we'll do, we'll start a Pomodoro timer in a work mode. Then after 25 minutes, we'll again start a 5 minute break timer. So we have to do it manually, right? And again the cycle continues like 25 minutes, 5 minutes work mode and break mode and something like that. Instead of that, so you want to do it continuously. That's what it is. Auto cycle timer. Hidden counters. Maybe I want to do some kind of counting. So and also few things, not all of the countings. So some of the things. So I tracked it. Maximum 5 counters I kept it. That also a thing. Minimum checklist. Sometimes we want to add a small to do app, but not all of them. Mini checklist. And I want to save it also so that when we open again, we can see the status of the Pomodoro accounts we saved it and all the things. And we want a small app that is on top of on all the apps. So it's not a core have done, and with the help of some tools like Claude, so you can go through it. But the thing is something simpler thing. We maintain a variable called current time. So whatever the time it is, maybe 25 minutes for work mode and break mode. We have a 5 minutes timer, which might be converted into seconds. So let's say 1 minute is 60 seconds. 5 minutes will be around 300 seconds. Okay, and we try to reduce 1 second and we sleep it for one. We update the display and sleep for 1 second. When the current time becomes zero, then we'll check whether what kind of mode it is. Is it a work mode? Then we increment the total Pomodoro count to 1 to increment the number, and we go to the next mode, which is opposite of work mode, break mode. If it is a break mode, we'll go back to work mode. So and set that default values for both modes. For work mode it is a 25 minutes and break mode 5 minutes. Magic hidden counters. So you make it very minimalistic thing, you can see, right? So if I hover over the plus button, it will show the counters. I have a pre-existing 5 counters. So you can see, right, in the break time I can take a steps also. So again, how much water I drink and other things. If you want to reset it, we can reset it also by right clicking it. Okay, you can see zero it becomes. And I have tooltip also. So when you hover it, I think left click will count up and right click to reset. And small mini checklist. This thing you can see, right? 3 checklists are there. You can check and uncheck. If you click on this particular thing, you will get a small dialog where you can change it. Whatever the small thing, maximum 10 characters, maybe a small DSA program, data texture program. Okay, so all these things. So we save it in the JSON file. This is the structure of the data. For 5 counters we maintain it's the values and 3 checklist and its corresponding status of to do item, whether it's completed or not completed with the boolean values true or false, and it is an array. Then we use a JSON array syntax. The philosophy is simple: less is more. It should not non-destructing. Like in this case of Pomodoro websites and apps will be there that you have to separate, do it, maintain it separately, and well, big and very clunky. So avoid those things. Focus only what you need. I don't need much things, bigger things. Focus on very minimal things. Maximum productivity. Simplicity, what is the take, what we want to focus is in the simplicity. So what are the features we needed, we'll show it on the demand basis. Automatic workflow reduces friction, small apps can have big impact. We're using Python and Tkinter, okay, and a Claude also. Thank you.